Hello, Year 10. Nice to catch up again. Welcome to our assembly. Okay, so I'm just going to go through it now. So hopefully you'll be inspired. What is being responsible? When we are not responsible, we tend to blame others for our bad choices, forget homework or our equipment, don't think about how our behaviour affects the people around us. We're not independent. We constantly make excuses. Everything we do is a choice. We have to take responsibility for our choices. The moment you take responsibility for everything in your life is the moment you can change anything in your life. So what do we need to be responsible for today? Well, our equipment, the desire not to spoil other people's learning, look out for our friends, accept responsibility and not blame others, and then learn from our mistakes. Thanks, guys, for listening. It's been a bit of a crazy week this week. And I know that some of you are probably a bit exhausted, a bit fatigued. But stick in there. We're nearly at Easter, and it has been a tough haul since coming back from lockdown 3. We've got to start taking responsibility now for our actions. Everything that we do, every choice that we make has a consequence. But what I want you guys to do is start to think about your next steps. Start to focus on what you want to do in your life. What steps can you start to take to begin to secure that future? Are you working to get the very best grades that you can? Could you look at getting some kind of work experience outside of school at the weekends that's going to contribute to you standing out above all the other competition when it comes to interviews for placements for college and later on for university or even apprenticeship courses? Look after each other. I'll speak to you soon.